Hi everyone, welcome to Zenwork Payments. Today, we'll walk through how to bulk import payers using QuickBooks Desktop. To get started, log into Zenwork Payments. Next, go to the Payers tab, click Add Payer, and then select Bulk Import. From the options, choose QuickBooks Desktop. Now, follow the web connector setup. Download the connector file, open it, select the application. Enter the password and click OK. Click on Update selected. Once the progress reaches 100%, you can either close the pop-up or click Exit. Moving on to Step 3, click Proceed. You'll now see the payer details in the payments platform. The record status may show as pending fixes. Update the details. Once the record status says ready to import, then click Import. You'll see a confirmation message saying payers and vendors imported successfully. To enable payments, add your card details and address information. In the subscription summary, you'll see a charge of $19.99 per payer. After using the 1-month free trial, click Continue. And that's how you bulk import payers using QuickBooks Desktop in Zenwork Payments. From the Payers section, navigate to Vendors. Here, you'll see the vendors that were imported from QuickBooks Desktop. You can also review the bills for specific vendors. Now, let's compare the vendor details and bill amount with QuickBooks Desktop. Select My Company, click on the respective payer, and open vendor information. Here, you can verify that the bill amount matches what's shown in the payments platform. Let's now talk about one-way sync and two-way sync between Zenwork Payments and QuickBooks Desktop. From the same payer, go to Integrations, and then open Sync Settings. First, let's understand one-way sync. With one-way sync, any updates made in Zenwork Payments will reflect in QuickBooks Desktop once the sync is performed manually. However, changes made in QuickBooks Desktop will not sync back to Zenwork Payments. Next is two-way sync. With two-way sync, updates made in Zenwork Payments, such as adding new vendors, editing vendor details, or managing bills, will sync and reflect in QuickBooks Desktop. At the same time, any updates made in QuickBooks Desktop will also sync back and appear in Zenwork Payments. Please note, both one-way and two-way syncs are manual and do not happen automatically. Here, select two-way sync and click Save. Now, let's add a vendor in Zenwork Payments and see how it reflects in QuickBooks Desktop. Go to the Vendors tab and click Add Vendor. Enter the required vendor details and save them. Next, create a bill. Enter the bill number, dates, amount, and other required information. You can create a bill either by uploading an invoice or by entering the details manually. Once that's done, click the sync icon from the dashboard and then select Sync Now. Follow the QuickBooks Desktop sync process again. After the sync is complete, check the sync summary. Here, you'll see the details of what has been successfully synced. Now, let's confirm the same in QuickBooks Desktop. You can see the new vendor name along with the bill amount available in QBD. The sync summary confirms that the vendor information and bill have been synced successfully. Thank you for watching. We hope this video made the QBD to Zenwork Payments import process easy to understand.